Emmer's screen time. Emmer is building a house for Sammy Squirrel. She places leaves on a bed made of blocks. This is where Sammy sleeps, she tells her Amma. I wonder what Sammy will do today, Amma asks. I will make her some toys, says Emmer. Emmer, I have to finish something for work. Let's go inside and you can watch a show, Amma says. Yay, shouts Emmer. Friendship Forest. Just one episode, says Amma. I'll set the timer. Okay, Emmer snuggles in a cozy spot with her tablet and Sammy Squirrel. Remember, when the timer beeps, we'll need to put the tablet away, says Amma. I'll see you when the show is over. Emmer is already deep inside Friendship Forest. In a little while, Amma returns and brings Emmer her water bottle. They watch the last few exciting minutes of the show together. Beep, 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 says the timer. The show is over, and so is Emmer's screen time. That was a good story today, says Amma. What was your favorite part? Emmer doesn't answer. I liked when the tiny mouse saved the forest at the end, says Amma. The next episode of Friendship Forest is just beginning. It's time to shut off the tablet now, Emmer. Do you want to turn it off or should I? Amma asks. Emmer keeps watching. Okay, I will do it, Amma says. She takes the tablet and presses the off button. No, Emmer cries. Friendship Forest! Her body feels heavy and she slides off the sofa to the floor. Amma picks her up and holds her close. I see that you're sad, my love. It can be so disappointing when something fun is over, Amma says. It's hard for me sometimes too. Turning off screens is hard for many of us. I know you love to do other things too, like play with Sammy Squirrel, says Amma. Do you think she wants to color? Or maybe she's hungry for lunch? Emmer scowls. I don't want to play, she says. But then Emmer looks at Sammy. She does seem a little hungry. Emmer looks again. Okay, she says, I'll make Sammy some lunch. Emmer goes outside and makes a delicious acorn picnic for Sammy Squirrel and Rishi Rabbit. And a surprise forest friend. The end.